Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. In order to hide apps on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, choose an app you want to hide and press and hold on it. Then tap on Require Face ID, and now you can either set it to require Face ID, so the app will not be hidden, but to show the content of the app, you'll need to enter your Face ID or passcode, or in my case, I'm gonna choose Hide and Require Face ID, so the app will be hidden. So to view if the app even is on your iPhone, you'll need to enter Face ID, and then to open the app, you'll need to enter Face ID again. So I'm gonna choose Hide and Require Face ID, then unlock with my Face ID, tap on Hide App, and now it's hidden. Let's go to the app library, and here you also cannot find Outlook, as you can see, but when I scroll down to hidden, I can click on the folder, then enter my Face ID, and you can see it shows the hidden app. I can click on it again and enter my Face ID again, and then it opens Outlook. That's how you hide apps on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, and you can see that when I exit out of the app, it's hidden again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.